medals at Melbourne, Australia, at Sofia, Bulgaria, at Turkey, and many other countries. He is a proud to our country. I would like to welcome him. Kindly give standing ovation to Virendra Singh. He is here to encourage all of you. I would also like to introduce Virendra Singh ji's coach, Mr. Maha Singh. He is a Dronacharya awardee and has been continuously training Virendra Singh. Thank you, sir. क्या नाम? Mr. Ajay Kumar is also a gold medalist and wrestler, bronze medal in Deaf Olympics. Ajay Kumar. He won bronze medal in Turkey. Virendra Ji is saying that I have won 7 medals. And in Turkey, Ajay Kumar won bronze medal. Similarly, you all should practice since from your childhood and improve your confidence and practice more to make our country proud. Concentrate more on your training and practice. Thank you. I would now request Chairperson, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi to present mementos to our honorable guest. हाँ जी, वो ले आए पहले फिर Mohinder Singh Ji will be presenting a memento to Director of Bhai Parmanand Vidya Mandir, Shri A.K. Singh, A.K. Sharma Ji. We will be starting with the prize distribution. First category is 400-meter run, sub-junior boys. I would like to request Director Ji to kindly present the certificates to the winners. First category 400 meters sub-junior boys. Third prize goes to Ajay Kumar, Government Secondary School for Deaf. Ajay Kumar, Government Secondary School for Deaf, Kalka ji. Ajay Kumar. Volunteers, his chest number is 220. Ajay Kumar, third prize. Second prize, Ravi, Government Senior Secondary School, Kalka ji. Ravi. First prize, Vishal Lal, Balwantray Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Chest number is 133. Vishal Lal. Next category. Next category is long jump sub-junior boys. Long jump sub-junior boys. Volunteers, please send all the 3 boys. I am announcing the name in reverse order. Third prize goes to Sagar Sharma, Balwantray Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Chest number 136. 136, Sagar Sharma. 136. Second prize, Prince Tiwari. Okay. Second prize, Prince Tiwari, Asha Awaz Center for Handicap. 101. 101, Prince Tiwari, Asha Awaz Center for Handicap. First prize, Sahil Chandel, Balwantray Mehta Vidya Bhavan. 134, Sahil Chandel. 134, बलवंतराय मेहता विद्या भवन. उस पे सर खड़ा करके बोल रहे वहाँ पे इनको इकट्ठा खड़ा कर देंगे. सेकेंड इज प्रिंस तिवारी 101. वहीं पे दे देते हैं. सबके साथ पिक्चर आ जाएगी फिर एक. ये बोल रहे ये नहीं है, कैंसिल है. पता नहीं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ये नहीं है. ओके. नाम बोला प्रिंस तिवारी. 101, प्रिंस तिवारी. थर्ड का नाम नहीं है इसमें. इस लिखा हुआ है बट इसका नहीं है. डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया था ये. हाँ, सागर शर्मा डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया था. Next category will be 400-meter run sub-junior girls. 400-meter run sub-junior girls. Second prize goes to Ankita Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan 139. Second prize Ankita 139 Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. First prize Mehak 140 Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Mehak. This is for 400-meter run sub-junior girls. ये नाम गलत है, ये बॉय का नाम है. Next category 800-meter run senior women number 256. Senior women number 256. I would like to request Achla ji to please come forward. She is winner of 800-meter run senior women. There is some mistake in the certificate, so kindly present the medal. She is Neha from Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, winner of 800-meter run. Next category, shot put senior men. Shot put senior men. Suhail Ahmed 230, 261 and 262. Third prize 230 Suhail Ahmed, Government Senior Secondary School for Deaf. Second prize Nitesh Kumar 261, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. And first prize 262 Karambir Singh, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. Shot put senior men. Two three one two two nine. Next category, triple jump. Triple jump senior men, second prize 2 to 9 Shubham Sharma, Government Senior Secondary School for Deaf. 2 to 9 Shubham Sharma, Government Senior Secondary School for, Secondary School for Deaf. Second prize, first prize 231 Azad, Government Secondary School for Deaf Kalkaji. Azad Government Secondary School for Deaf Kalkaji, 231. Two two nine. 229 and 231. First at 231, second is 229. Thank you, ma'am. I would request, sir, please, and Uma ji. Sir, Mahinder Singh sir, please, sir. Uma ji, sir. वहीं पे सर अभी और है कैटेगरी, एथलेटिक्स में है अभी काफ़ी. Now 200 meter senior men. 200 meter senior men. 167 third prize Kishan Nishad. 167 third prize Kishan Nishad. Government Lady Noy Senior Secondary School. Second prize 257 Abul Az. Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. Second prize 257. First prize 255 Himalaya Chaudhary, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, 255. Next is 100 meter run, 158 Nayab Ali, Government Lady Noy Senior Secondary School for Deaf. 158 Nayab Ali, Senior Men 100 meter. 224 Dheeraj Kumar, second prize. 224 Dheeraj Kumar, Government Secondary School for Deaf. 224 Dheeraj Kumar, second prize, Government Secondary School for Deaf. First 225 Sushil Kashyap, Government Secondary School for Deaf. 225. 225. First prize, second prize 224, third prize 158. This is for 100 meter run senior men. Next category, 200 meter run junior boys. 200 meter run junior boys, 158 Nayab Ali. 158, 159 second prize Himanshu Thakur. And first 225 Sushil Kashyap. 200-meter run junior boys, third prize 158, Nayab Ali. 158. Third prize. Second prize 159. Second prize 159. First prize 225. Now sub-junior boys 100-meter race, 133 Vishal Lal, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. 133 Vishal Lal, third prize, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Second prize 219 Mandeep, Government Secondary School for Deaf. 219 Mandeep, second prize. First prize 101 Prince Tiwari, Asha Ava Center for Handicap. First prize Prince Tiwari 101. Next is senior women shot put. No, sorry. 100-meter run junior boys. 100-meter run junior boys. 164 Nayab Ali. 161 Rakesh, second prize. First is 158 Nayab Ali. Nayab Ali 158. Second 161. 164. I will request Mr. Mohendra Gupta ji, Ravindra Mohan Gupta ji. Next is shot put senior women. Shot put senior women. 268 second prize Rashmi Parveen. Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. 268. First prize 267. Pulkit Balyan. Pulkit Balyan, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. 268. Shot put senior women. Shot put. Two 6-8, 2-6-7. Vishal, please check the chess number. Short put 2-6-8 and 2-6-7. 2-6-8 and 2-6-7. This is for senior women short put. Senior women short put. Afterwards? Okay. Winners of shot put, senior women. After this, discus throw senior women, Rashmi Parveen first prize 268. Rashmi Parveen first prize 268. Discus throw senior women. Rashmi Parveen shot put. Sorry, discus throw senior women, Rashmi Parveen 268. Please call her, yeah. 268. Sir, please. Ajay ji. Next is long jump senior men. 178 third prize couple 178. Second 228 Arvind Kumar Government Secondary School for Deaf. Second prize 228 Arvind Kumar. Third prize 178 couple from Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School for Deaf. First prize 177 Bablu Yadav Government Lady Noise School Senior Secondary School for Deaf. First prize Bablu Yadav. After this, shot put, junior boys, 141 Surya Prakash, second prize Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, first prize 802. Second prize 141 Surya Prakash, first prize 802.
सुमेश की मम्मी पीछे बैठी है,
Shot put junior boys 141 second prize Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, first prize 802. Next category, long jump sub junior girls. Long jump sub junior girls 138 third prize Riddhima Bhatt. Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan 138 Riddhima Bhatt third prize. Second prize 140 Mehek Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. First prize 223 Priyanka Sharma Government Secondary School for Deaf Kalkaji. First prize 223 Priyanka Sharma, second prize 140 Mehek, third prize 138 Riddhima Bhatt. Long jump sub junior girls, third 138, second 140, first 223, third 138, first 223, second 140. Please check the order. After this long jump senior women, Shazia 190, Government Lady Noy Senior Secondary School. Shazia. Shazia, long jump senior women. Shazia, long jump senior women, 190, Government Lady Noy Senior Secondary School. After this 100-meter run, senior women Pooja Rani, 184, Government Lady Noy School. Pooja Rani, Government Lady Noy School, senior women 100-meter run. Next is 200-meter run sub-junior boys. 200-meter, last category 200-meter sub-junior boys. 221 Ravi, 133 Vishal Lal and first prize 101 Prince Tiwari. First prize 101 Prince Tiwari, Asha Ava Center for Handicap. Second prize 133 Vishal Lal, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Third prize 221 Ravi, Government Secondary School for Deaf Kalkaji. After this, we will be giving certificates for badminton. I will request Mrs. Divan and Suman Suriji. Ma'am, please. Next category, I'm not having the chess numbers. Volunteers, please listen the names carefully. Now this is for badminton junior boys. Third prize, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Nimit. Junior boys badminton, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Nimit. Badminton. Second prize, Ashtavakra School, Golu. Badminton junior boys. Golu, Ashtavakra School, second prize. First prize, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Anurag. First prize, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Anurag. Please see the certificates. First is Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Second, Ashtavakra School. After this, badminton junior girls. Third prize, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Kanika. Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, third prize, Kanika. Kanika junior girls, badminton. Second prize, badminton junior girls, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Chanvi Sharma. Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, second prize, Chanvi Sharma. First prize, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, Simran Yadav. Simran Yadav. First prize, Simran Yadav. First is Simran Yadav. After this, next category, badminton senior men. Third prize, Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School, Rahul. Rahul, Lady Noise School, third prize. Second prize, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, Bhanta Kripesh Kumar Singh. Bhanta Kripesh Kumar, second prize, DSAD. Kripesh Kumar Singh. Bhanta Kripesh Kumar Singh, DSAD, second prize. First prize, Ankit Dalal, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute. Ankit Dalal, Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute. Senior men badminton. Teachers, please send the students. Ankit Dalal, Lal Bahadur Shastri, first prize, senior men. Second prize, DSAD, Bhanta Kripesh Kumar. And third prize, Lady Noise School, Rahul. After this, senior women badminton. Second prize, there are two prizes only in senior women category. No, sorry. Third prize goes to Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Anjali Sani. Badminton senior women, Anjali Sani. Anjali Sani, third prize. Second Neeru Government Lady Noise School. Neeru Government Lady Noise School, second. First, DSAD Simran Yadav. Simran Yadav, DSAD. Simran Yadav, DSAD, Senior Women Badminton. Senior Women Badminton, first Simran Yadav, second Neeru, third Anjali Saini. After this, badminton mixed double. I would like to request Mr. Lavkesh Advocate to come forward for the prize distribution and Ajay Kumar. Next is badminton mixed double. Third prize Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, Sarika Kumari and Ramanpreet Singh. Sarika Kumari Gupta and Ramanpreet Singh, mixed double, badminton. Second, DSAD Banta Kripesh Kumar Singh and Simran Yadav. Mixed double. Second prize Simran Yadav and Banta Kripesh Kumar Singh. First prize badminton mixed double. Government Lady Noise Secondary School, Nikhil and Neeru. Nikhil and Neeru Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School. First prize badminton mixed double. Nikhil and Neeru mixed double, first prize. Kripesh, Banta Kripesh Kumar Singh. After this, badminton senior double men. Senior double men category में Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, second prize. इसमें third नहीं है. Sorry. Third prize Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School, Nikhil and Rahul. Nikhil and Rahul, third prize Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School, senior double men. हाँ जी, ठीक है, ठीक है. I would like to request Mr. Subhash Kapoor and Raj Rani ji to come forward for the prize distribution. Next is badminton senior double men Nikhil and Rahul, third prize Government Lady Noise School. Second prize Banta Kripesh Kumar Singh and Kunar Ahmed. DSAD Kripesh Kumar Singh and Kunar Ahmed. First prize Ankit Dalal, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Ramanpreet Singh. Ankit Dalal and Ramanpreet Singh, first prize men's double senior category. Ankit Dalal and Ramanpreet Singh. उसके पास सर्टिफिकेट चले गए, एक मिनट देखना. After this, badminton senior women double. Senior women doubles. After this, badminton senior double women category, second position Simran Kaur, Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan and Varsha Sharma. Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Varsha Sharma, Simran Kaur, second position. Badminton senior double women. First position Neeru and Shazia, Government Lady Noye Senior Secondary School. Neeru and Shazia, first position in doubles, badminton senior category. Neeru and Shazia, first position. Second position, Simran Kaur and Varsha Sharma. वॉलंटियर्स उनको भाई रोक के रखना, अभी लिस्ट आ रही है, थर्ड मैं अनाउंस करूंगी. अभी थर्ड के लिए वेट करना प्लीज़. Third is Anjali Saini and Sarika Kumari Gupta of Lal Bahadur Shastri Training Institute, double category women senior. Third is Anjali Saini and Sarika Kumari. Anjali Saini, Sarika Kumari, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The certificates will be given later. Please present the medals.
वो देने हैं सर ट्रॉफीज।
ठीक है, ये स्कूल के जो पैकेट बनवाए थे, कहा कि ये स्कूल वालों ने बना
नहीं
के दिए।
हमने
नहीं, वो कहते स्कूल वालों ने बना के दिए।
Second prize, second winners of football is Delhi Gate School, Lady Noise, Government Lady Noise, Delhi Gate School. Second prize. Government Lady Noise Senior Secondary School for Deaf. Second prize.
अनाउंस कर देना ना आप फील्ड के लिए, नहीं तो वहाँ पे कोई किसी को दिलवा देगा।
हाँ जी। School teacher, please come forward to receive the shield. Second prize, football. First prize, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. First prize, Deaf Sports Association of Delhi, football. Next category will be basketball. I will request Mohinder Singh ji to come forward to give the trophies. Position winners of basketball is Government Delhi Sports Association of Deaf, Delhi. Second position basketball DSAD.
मेरे पास सर अब कोई लिस्ट
Second position goes to Balwantray Mehta Vidya Bhavan. Congratulations, sir. Balwantray Mehta Vidya Bhavan, second position, overall champions. This is not for the first time Balwant Rai is winning the overall championship trophy. The school has been always giving its best. First position, overall champions. First position for overall champions is Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. Deaf Sports Association of Delhi. Achla ma'am, please come forward. Congratulations. Deaf Sports Association of Delhi are the overall champions in its very first event. Congratulations to the whole team.
हाँ हाँ वो सब है।
All the schools, please be seated. All the schools, please be seated. Now we are announcing the results for chess. Men category, first position Rohit Sharma, DSAD, Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma, volunteers, please call Rohit Sharma. Second position Sagar Rayu, DSAD. Second position Chess Sagar. First position Rohit Sharma. Junior boys Vibhor Chauhan. Junior boys Vibhor Chauhan. First position. Vibhor Chauhan junior boys first position. Second Rajdeep. Junior boys second position Rajdeep. First position Vibhor.
स्कूल का नाम हाँ
Government Lady Noy School. Chess first position Vibhor Chauhan, Government Lady Noy School. Second position Rajdeep, Government Lady Noy School.
स्कूल पहुंचा देंगे बहुत सारे हैं अभी पार्टिसिपेशन का भी है ट्रॉफी नहीं
After this, women category first prize Bimla Sharma, DSAD. Bimla Sharma, DSAD. Second position Sweetie. Second position Sweetie. First position Bimla Sharma, DSAD. Second position Sweetie, DSAD. Chess. Volunteers, please make it fast. After that, call Rohit Sharma, first position men category DSAD, second Sagar. Rohit is standing at the back. Vishal. Rohit is standing there. Yeah. And Sagar. Senior men chess. Volunteers, please call Rohit Sharma and Sagar. शिल्पा, स्कूल सर्टिफिकेट्स कहाँ हैं टीचर्स के सबके? तुमने लिखे थे, लेकर आओ जल्दी।
स्कूल के पूछ रही हो क्या? स्कूल
हाँ
के
हाँ
वो मैंने उनको दिए थे।
लेकर वो भी लाओ जल्दी।
वो कहाँ है?
Simran Yadav is the best player in badminton. A special trophy to her. Simran Yadav. Simran Yadav. Volunteers, please make everyone sit down for at least 10 minutes more. Please. Please be seated. Please be seated. Everyone, please be seated. School teachers. I would like to request Mr. Naveen Jindal ji, sports in charge, Bhai Parmanand Vidya Mandir, to come on stage with his team, with all his sports teachers who has been continuously working hard to make this event a success. Uma Kapoor ma'am and Mohinder Singh sir, please give them the certificates of appreciation. With the small mementos of file folders made by deaf women at the Vocational Training Center of Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women. सभी पार्टिसिपेटिंग स्कूल टीचर्स जो इंचार्ज हैं वो आगे आ जाएं. वी हाईली अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट्स. स्कूल टीचर्स जो इंचार्ज हैं, हर एक स्कूल से एक एक टीचर आ जाइए प्लीज़. हर एक पार्टिसिपेटिंग स्कूल से उनके स्पोर्ट्स इंचार्ज आगे आ जाएं.
सर अभी चलाएं तो बहुत देर को और है, पर हम अभी वाइंड अप कर देंगे बस.
Mohinder Singh sir, I would like to invite you for vote of thanks. Please be seated. Please be seated. All school teachers and school participants, please be seated.
I'm sorry, I'm going to take little time, but please be seated. I want to appreciate the work which you have done it. Our chief guest, Mr. A.K. Sharma, Principal of Paramanand Vidya Mandir, Mr. A.P. Singh, International Coach, Mr. Maha Singh Ji, Dronacharya Awardee, and all my deaf friends and other invitees who have come here after sparing time from their busy schedule. I really welcome you and thank you for your participation in this. On behalf of Delhi Sports Association of Deaf and the entire team of the Society and Fraternity of Deaf Sports, I extend my very, very heartily vote of thanks to all the guests and chief guests, Shri Om Prakash ji, who came yesterday and inaugurated the function. Because of his busy schedule and already preoccupied, he could not make it to come today. I extend my thanks to Bhai Paramanand Vidya Mandir for their wholehearted support and encouragement. Without your support, sir, it would not have been possible to make this event as a success. Special thanks to your school team, sport teacher, sports in charge, Mr. Naveen Jindal. Under management of Mr. Naveen, all events were well coordinated and conducted. We never felt that there was any communication between deaf and players and the sport teachers and coaches. I also extend my gratitude to all the sponsors such as main sponsor Life Insurance Corporation of India, Vijay Bank, Sports Sons, JK Tire, Coca-Cola, SKV Law Offices. I would also like to acknowledge our gratitudes to Superior Drinks Limited, who have donated cold drinks and Coca-Cola along with cold water to us for this, all the participants for the last 2 days. I also extend my thanks and gratitudes to Mrs. Meenu Singh, Mrs. Achala Khanna, Roshanlal Jain, Rajkumar Punjabi, Mr. G. Suresh Kumar, Mr. Prem Das Sharma, and Mr. Jaspal Singh, who have monetarily donated to Delhi Deaf Sports Association of the Deaf. Their contribution means a lot to us. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by Mr. A.K. Sharma, director by Permanent Vidya Mandir. His dedication and generosity made the event very, very successful. We thank the entire school partnership, school participants for participating. Special thanks to the school sports teachers who took lot of interest and pain and arranged all the students over here and brought them in time, and we wish all the best to the students. Last but not the least, a special thanks to the special school band for the excellent performance and inauguration ceremony. Their performance made the ceremony more likely and glorified. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't appreciate and thanks for the presence of Mr. Mahasingh Rao, Guru Dronacharya Awardee, Mrs. Madhu Devan, former Sports Authority of India TT coach, Mr. Varinder Singh, gold medalist, Arjuna awardees. With these words, I thank each one of you who have come here, participated, and I further say to the students who have won this time, I extend my congratulations to them. And those who have not won, they should not get disappointed. They should try it next time and be successful. Thank you.
थोड़ा पीछे हेलो थैंक यू थैंक यू पीछे 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 थैंक यू Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.